like a wood stove, maybe some rocks and one of them, like the planters. I can't remember what they're called, the clay planters. You could start a little fire in there. In fact, let's look at the power outages real quick. So up in North Dakota, you got 30 without power. Ooh, Minnesota, we got 2,156 without power right now, and it's super cold. 100 there in Wisconsin, 29 in Iowa, so not a whole lot. We got 100 out here in Missouri, 841 in Arkansas. You got 862 in Illinois. Texas, the big winner with 4,373. California, 3,740. Florida, 3,000. Minnesota, New York, all with over 2,000 people without power, man. It's brutal out there right now. And it's going to get worse. U.S. coast-to-coast record-setting storm, destructive mudslides, feet of snow, wind, waves, collapsing houses. You know, this is going on because not the climate change that they tell you about, but the man-made climate change, the engineered kind. We'll get into that. Same thing's happening over in the Baltic, in London. They're calling it the beast from the Baltic over the weekend. So they're getting the same thing. It's going on in Australia. It's going on everywhere. We got this crazy Sahara dust plume. The high values moving into Europe. Now I noticed this. I couldn't go live last night, but I've been following this dust storm for a couple days. It's coming from an odd area. We've seen some small dust storms down here, but nothing like this one. It's pretty crazy. So if it does rain out here, you're going to get the blood rain, the blood fog. It's going to look like the apocalypse. That's because it is. Anyway, we'll look into the maps here in a little bit. Yeah, here's a pretty good shot of it. Yeah, you may be warm now, but it's going to change. Mount St. Helens rumbles again. We got all kinds of weird stuff going on. So you got Mount St. Helens going off. We got mystery sound shakes southern Arizona. Just a couple days ago. Another mystery rumble shook homes, rattled windows across Tucson on Wednesday at approximately 12:12. Let's see. I haven't heard it yet. Let's see if we can hear it. Sound like a bomb went off. We also had a fireball spotted over Illinois Wednesday night. Spotted a bright flash in the sky. Even with mostly cloudy skies. This happened right around 8 p.m. Now, we do got tons of meteor showers going on right now. But nobody can see them because they got the whole sky covered up. 2 new comets, a rare Trojan asteroid orbiting Earth discovered by astronomers within 3 weeks. We got a couple inbound. Elon Musk now controls over a quarter of the active satellites. I mean, look at that. This is like how they pollute the waters, man. They're polluting the sky with all this stuff. He now controls a quarter of all active satellites orbiting Earth after launching more than a dozen Starlink missions over the last 2 years. Total number of Starlinks in orbit is 1,000.